want to start by thanking all of you for your overwhelming response to our series on ChatGPT for business owners. Based on the comments, it's clear that ChatGPT users are hungry for high-level expert advice on prompt engineering for business applications. This video will address prompt engineering in depth. Please comment if you'd like to see additional content taking an even deeper dive into prompt engineering, where we will walk you step by step through some examples. It is clear that as businesses continue to evolve and adapt to the digital age, more and more companies are turning to AI-powered tools to enhance their customer service experience. One of the most powerful tools in this space is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful artificial intelligence model that understands and responds to human language. It is an ideal tool for businesses that want to engage with AI idea generators conversationally. However, to get the most out of ChatGPT, it is crucial to use prompt engineering. Prompt engineering involves crafting specific prompts that allow ChatGPT to understand what you want it to do and respond in a way that meets your needs. Let's look at some general guidelines for prompting before looking at specific techniques. Firstly, it's essential to understand that the quality of the prompts you provide will determine the quality of the ChatGPT's responses. So, to prompt ChatGPT correctly, you need to be clear and concise about what you want it to do. If you give ChatGPT vague or unclear prompts, it may not understand what you're trying to achieve, and its responses may be less helpful. So when you're prompting ChatGPT, think about what you want it to do. For example, do you need it to answer a specific question, provide recommendations, or help troubleshoot a problem? Once you know what you want ChatGPT to do, you can craft a prompt to help it understand your needs. A well-crafted prompt is specific, concise, and contains all the information ChatGPT needs to understand and what you want it to do. For example, if you're a business owner looking to optimize your website, you could prompt ChatGPT with a question like, what are the best practices for website optimization? ChatGPT would then generate a response based on the information you gave it. You can be more specific by indicating your industry and the country or culture you are attempting to reach. Lastly, it's essential to understand that ChatGPT learns and adapts based on the prompts it receives. Therefore, the more specific and helpful your prompts are, the more ChatGPT will be able to understand and respond to your needs. Over time, ChatGPT will become more and more skilled at understanding your needs and providing helpful responses. So, in summary, prompt engineering is an essential tool for a business that wants to get the most out of ChatGPT. By crafting specific, concise prompts that provide ChatGPT with all the information it needs, you can get the best possible responses. Prompt engineering is the only way to optimize your interactions with ChatGPT. The results will be that your business will be able to continue to thrive in the digital age. Now that we have covered some of the general principles of prompt engineering, let's take an in-depth look at specific prompt engineering techniques. Remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel to ensure continued access to ChatGPT prompt engineering tutorials designed for entrepreneurs and business owners. One of the most powerful techniques for prompting ChatGPT is called role prompting. With role prompting, you can instruct the ChatGPT to assume the role of a specific professional, such as a business analyst or accountant, and generate specific responses to that role. This technique is also referred to as a persona prompting or role-play prompting. For example, suppose you're a business owner and want to understand more about your company's financial health. In that case, you can prompt ChatGPT to assume the accountant or financial analyst role. To do this, you will begin your prompt with a phrase like, as an accountant, can you tell me, or as a financial analyst, what are the best practices for? ChatGPT will then generate a response based on the specific role you've instructed it to assume, providing you with relevant information. The role prompting technique can benefit businesses that need to generate specific information applicable to particular fields or industries. For example, if you're a startup founder and you're trying to build a financial model for your business, you could prompt ChatGPT to assume the role of a financial analyst and ask it for guidance on the financial modelling best practices. By instructing ChatGPT to assume the role of financial analyst, you're more likely to receive relevant responses specific to your needs. In summary, role prompting is a powerful technique that allows businesses to get specific information applicable to particular fields or industries. By instructing ChatGPT to assume a specific role, you can generate responses tailored to your needs, helping you to make more informed decisions and drive your business forward. Use role prompting to take your interactions with ChatGPT to the next level and unlock new possibilities for your business. Comment below if you want to see an in-depth role prompting tutorial. Another important technique for effective prompting with ChatGPT is shot prompting. Shot prompting involves providing ChatGPT with a specific context or information to generate more accurate and relevant responses. The different levels of shot prompting are zero shot, one shot, and few shot. Zero shot prompting involves asking ChatGPT to generate a response without providing any additional context or information. Shot prompting is highly effective in quickly developing a reaction to a simple question, but the answer may not always be accurate or relevant. One-shot prompting involves giving ChatGPT a small amount of context or information to generate a more accurate response. For example, you could provide ChatGPT with a specific keyword or phrase to help recognise its response. Few-shot prompting involves providing ChatGPT with more context or information to generate a highly accurate and relevant response. This technique can be handy for complex or specialised topics where additional context is needed for ChatGPT to develop a precise answer. By using shot prompting techniques, businesses can maximise the accuracy and relevance of responses generated by ChatGPT, providing valuable insights and information to inform businesses' decisions. So whether you're using zero shot, one shot, or few shot prompting, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for driving your business forward. Try different shot prompting techniques to see how they can help you get the most out of your interactions with ChatGPT. Remember to like and comment on this video if you'd like to see deep dives into specific types of prompt engineering. Another advanced technique for prompting ChatGPT is called chain of thought prompting. This technique creates structured output where ChatGPT explains information step by step, providing clear and concise explanations at each step. Chain of thought prompting involves breaking down complex topics into smaller, more manageable pieces and instructing ChatGPT to explain each element step by step. To use chain of thought prompting, you can begin with a prompt like a phrase. For example, can you explain to me step by step, or can you break down into smaller pieces? ChatGPT will then generate a response that explains the information in a structured way, providing clear and concise explanations at each step. Chain of thought prompting is beneficial for complex or technical topics, where a step-by-step explanation can help ensure that everyone involved in the conversation is on the same page. For example, suppose you're considering launching a new product or service. In that case, challenge conversational narrative prompts can help you identify potential flaws or limitations in your current approach and uncover exciting new opportunities for growth and innovation. By using challenge conversational narrative prompts, businesses can foster a culture of innovation and exploration, encouraging critical thinking and driving better outcomes. So, whether you're looking to explore new business ideas or challenge commonly held beliefs in your industry, challenge conversational narrative prompts can be a powerful tool for driving your business forward. Try to see how it can help most of your interactions with ChatGPT.